How to rebuild the Spotlight Index on your Mac. If Spotlight search isn't working properly or isn't showing the latest search results, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, scroll down and click on Spotlight. Now scroll to the bottom and click on Search Privacy. Click the plus button, then select your Macintosh HD or the folder you want to exclude from Spotlight indexing and click Choose. Once it's been added to the list, select it and click the minus button to remove it. Removing the drive or folder from the privacy list tells Spotlight to begin indexing it again. Depending on the amount of data on your Mac, rebuilding the Spotlight index may take some time to complete, but you can continue using your Mac while the indexing runs in the background. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.